Hi, welcome to STAO Creates Digital Escape Rooms webinar. I'm Laura Wodlinger, and I'm the STAO Director of Secondary Resource Development, and I'm also a science teacher in the York Region District School Board. This webinar took place on Wednesday, December 9th, and feel free to follow along with us by downloading the slide deck at tinyurl.com/STAOcreates1. So now, let's learn how to make some digital escape rooms. You can check out this and other STAO resources on the stao.ca website, which has all kinds of classroom resources, professional development, and other opportunities for Ontario science teachers. So, creating digital escape rooms takes 4 steps, and I will go through all of them right now with you. Feel free to pick a topic or unit that you want to do and follow along to start creating your own. So why make digital escape rooms? In general, this allows you to create your review as an experience for students. It will make them want to participate more. It brings in that idea of a challenge to get them really on board. And it can really help with problem-solving skills, collaboration skills. As well, all the tools we'll be using today are free, and so you can reuse your digital escape rooms year after year. If you'd like to see some examples of digital escape rooms, here are links to several that I have made for different units in different courses, including a teacher PD escape room that teaches you how to make escape rooms to escape the room. So let's start building. Step 1 involves coming up with a story, some hook to explain why your students have to do this. In general, this should relate to whatever course topic or content that you're going to use. For instance, for a body systems escape room, I have my little story on the right here, and they've been trapped in a dungeon shaped like the human body and need to escape. Other ideas, they could be heroes, explorers, thieves, detectives. Your theme here should be, why are they here and why do they need to get out? And if there's a time limit, why is there a time limit? There's a link on this slide that will take you to a professional escape room design website, which has several good ideas. Step 2 is the locks. This is what really makes your escape room work. And for this, you're going to use Google Forms. If you'd like, the very easy way to do this is to click one of the 2 links on this page seen here, and this will allow you to make copies of my Google Form locks. Otherwise, I'm going to show you how to make your own right now. So you can feel free to download my Google Form, and it looks like this and has various types of locks on the page that you can then use with your students. If you'd like to create your own, you can start by creating a new Google Form by typing forms.new into a search bar. So from here, we can call this our lock form, and I'm going to start by making a new question. In order to make a lock, you're going to want to select a short answer question. It has to be short answer. And you want to go to the 3 dots at the bottom right and select response validation. This will ensure that students cannot continue until they get the right answer, as opposed to a normal form where the form will tell them the answer is wrong, but let them continue. So here, I might want to do a 3-digit lock. I highly recommend adding a picture. This makes it a little bit more immersive and realistic. You can upload a picture from your computer or use Google image search. And we can see here my 3-digit lock. And I'm going to give my answer as a number, and I want that number to be equal to my answer. And so maybe my answer is 1, 2, 3. You then also have the option of a custom error text. This is a great way to add hints. And so this hint will only show up if they get the answer wrong. You then want to make it a required question. And so if I go to preview to see what this form looks like, you can see that I have a 3-digit lock and I need to enter an answer. If I enter the wrong answer, It will not let me proceed, and it does give me the hint. So once you have your locks made, and here is a description of exactly how to do that: short answer question, response validation, equals to or contains, and your code. And here's a suggestion of different kinds of locks that you can use. So step 3, once you've got your story and your locks, is to create the actual room that your puzzles will be in. And to do this, you want to use ThingLink. So you can go to thinglink.com and create a free teacher account. And from here, you can create a room, which is going to host all of your puzzles. So let me take you through that. If you go to ThingLink and you make a free teacher account, you can go to Create, upload an image, and it then takes you to the editor. From here, you can add tags. So we can add a text and media tag. I can type in a title. I can type in a description. And I can have a button. So for my button, I most likely want to use my lock form. So I can take the address from my lock form, and I can add it into ThingLink by going to the button URL. And then if I want, I can add custom button text. And if students click this button, it will take them to the Google form. From here, I can also add an image if I'd like. I can upload audio or record my own voice. And I can change the icon to represent something like a star in whatever color I choose. I can then hit done. And this is my tag that I've now added. I can move that around the screen as I'd like. And when students click on it, they will then see all of my text and can click the button. The only thing left to do is to fill your escape room with puzzles. Here is a listing of different kinds of puzzles that you could use. From here, the only limit is your creativity and imagination. Some suggestions would be jigsaw puzzles, codes and ciphers. You can do mazes where they have to follow the right path to find the actual question to answer. You can use numbered diagrams where a combination of elements in the diagram makes up the number code. So feel free to check out these suggestions or contact us at STAO if you would like some support on this. From here, it's a case of sharing your escape room with your students. If in ThingLink you go to the share button, it'll bring up this box. If you go to share link, all you need to do is copy that link and send it to your students, and they will happily review by doing your escape game. And hopefully they will escape. If you'd like to check out more STAO events, feel free to check us out at stao.ca/event directory to see all of our upcoming webinars. Thank you for watching this STAO Creates Digital Escape Rooms. I'm Laura Wodlinger. Feel free to contact me at my email address, laura.wodlinger@stao.ca, or connect with me on Twitter. Otherwise, feel free to connect with STAO at info@stao.ca, or connect with us on social media on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Have a great day.